Hello, a couple of people have asked how to run the STAR test record report for your end of year checkout. So we're going to look at it really quick. So the first thing you're going to do is go to Renaissance. Once you have logged in, you're going to come to STAR Math. At STAR Math, you're going to click Reports. When you are in Reports, you are going to look for the one that's called STAR Test Record Report. Now I have mine pinned at the top. Yours will be a little bit further down right here at Growth in Progress. So you're going to go to Growth in Progress and you're going to see STAR Test Record Report. When you're here, you're going to go ahead and click on it. Here you're going to make sure that your assessment type is STAR Math Enterprise. So you'll just make sure that you click STAR Math Assessment English. And then again, STAR Math Enterprise Assessment English, and you'll click Apply. Then you're going to look at it. So I have access to all of the grade levels and all the teachers. So just make sure that you have your class or both of your classes if you teach more than one class, or 3 classes if you're in 3rd grade. Make sure you have your class selected. Make sure your name is selected. Make sure your class is selected, and go ahead and click All Students. From there, you're going to go ahead and just click Apply. So I'm just going to pick one so it's not as big as a file. So I'm going to say Apply. From there, you're going to say All Demographics, because you want everybody. And we're going to say Date Range of All Time. This will show us every single time they've ever taken it. Again, we want our scale to be the STAR Enterprise scale. Yes, we want to show a grade equivalent. And we want to make sure we have a page break between students. So you're going to do that. And then you're going to say Update Report. Once you do that, it's going to actually show you all of the kids. So you're going to come up here to the right top corner and you're going to click PDF. It is going to generate a PDF for you. And then once it's generated, you're able to open it and it will show you each page for each kid. So it's landscape now instead of portrait, but that's okay. It still tells you the kids, it tells you every time they've taken the test, and all of the information that you need. And it has it all one page for each kid. If you have any questions, let me know.